In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel website using the WP Travel Engine. Whether you're looking to start your own travel blog or build a site for your travel agency, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to install WordPress on your hosting. I recommend using a reliable provider like WP Engine, which will make your website smooth and efficient. Once you've set up WordPress, you're ready to transform it into a full-fledged travel website. Now, the magic begins. Head over to the plugins section of your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Travel Engine. This is the plugin that will give your website the superpowers needed for a travel business. Click Install and then Activate. WP Travel Engine is now added to your WordPress site, so let's get it ready for action. While this plugin comes with many features, for the design aspect, consider using a travel-friendly WordPress theme. This is optional, but using a theme can significantly enhance the look and feel of your website. If you're keen on customizing, you might also want to explore Elementor, a robust tool that allows for intuitive design customization. With your theme selected, proceed to configure the WP Travel Engine settings. Begin by setting up your website's currency, then configure the payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, or a direct bank transfer, ensuring that your customers have a variety of options to choose from at checkout. Next, update the booking settings to streamline the experience of potential travelers visiting your website. With these settings adjusted, it's time to add destinations. Navigate to the WP Travel Engine menu and click on Destinations, followed by Add New. This is where you can add all the exciting places you want to showcase on your site. Once destinations are added, it's time to populate your site with trips and tours. Click on Trips and select Add New. Here, fill in all the necessary details like the trip name, description, duration, price, and images. Remember to assign each trip to its respective destination and category to help potential customers easily find what they're interested in. After inputting all the information, click on Publish. Moving along, it's crucial to create the essential pages for your website. Use shortcodes or Elementor widgets to display your trips and booking forms on these pages, making it user-friendly for your visitors. Finally, customize your site's appearance by clicking on Customize under the Appearance tab. Adjust the header, footer, colors, fonts, and menus until you're happy with the look. Once the design fits your vision, the last step is to test your site thoroughly. Focus on the booking process, payment gateways, and mobile responsiveness to ensure everything runs smoothly. By following these steps, you'll have a polished, professional travel website ready to attract and retain visitors. Happy website building and enjoy your journey in the travel sector.